So I have just literally unboxed and had a look at the iPhone XS Max in the gold colour. These two are both 256GB models, but I have just received my second delivery of two further iPhones, which is this again, the exact same model and variant, and then the exact same configuration but in the space grey colour instead. So I'm going to unbox the space grey colour now. I'm not going to switch it on because I don't think I'm keeping this one, but I'm just going to compare the colour to the gold. So I'm going to turn that around and put this to one side for a minute. But we're just going to unbox the space grey one. Now this came a bit already loose, so I'm not too sure what happened there. But let's just take the cellophane off. And do the same unboxing. Now I'm not going to go through the contents of the box. If you do want to see that, I'll leave a link below to the first video I did where I did that whole thing with this phone. I just think it's a bit pointless doing the whole thing again when it's the exact same, but it's just a different colour. So I'm just going to be comparing the colours of the XS Max. Okay, this is the space grey colour, which was found on the 10. So this isn't a new colour, but the gold certainly is. And we'll just have a look comparing these two. I've got the space grey and the gold. The other one we're missing is the silver. I do not have that one, but this is just a comparison between these two colours. And if you're debating which colour to get, then this video is for you, because we're just going to show you both of them and compare the colours and what they might be good for. So first off, I'm going to start with the space grey. Really nice all black kind of design. Even though it says grey, it's more of just a dark kind of, you could say black, but it has got a shimmer of grey. Really classy. The side is quite dull compared to the gold version. It's still a bit reflective, but it's like an anodised darker colour of a raw stainless steel. And it looks very nice and all kind of seamless because it's all kind of dark and the same colour. This would suit professionals, this would suit someone that doesn't really like flashy things but just wants the greatest phone, because it's not really in your face, it's kind of just dulled down and it just looks really nice and classy. That being said, I'm going to move on to the gold one. This is more of a, well, from the front angle, obviously they look exactly the same. I'll just turn that screen off. They look exactly the same on the front, but then as soon as you see this metal band stainless steel around the edge, you can see that it's anodised a gold colour, which looks really, really nice because black and gold go really, really well. And then on the back, you've got this kind of light gold kind of colour. It is more gold than any other iPhone gold that I've seen before. It's like a proper gold, this one. I like it a lot. It's kind of creamy, but it looks really classy as well. Most of the time you're going to wear a case with this phone anyway, so you won't even be able to tell that it's this colour really. It'll just, even in a black case, it'd look nice with the black front and then the gold bit hanging out. The back you won't really see if you wear a case, like most people will, unless you get a clear case. And I just wanted to show you now the colour of the phones in different lighting. So this is the gold one, and as you can see, it's got a really, really nice gold shimmer to it. It almost looks very gold, and it's very reflective and nice. So you can see like the sky in the reflection there. So in one light, the phone's really, really gold, as you can see now, and then at other times it looks kind of like a creamy white. If I turn it over there, it looks a bit like a classic creamy white. So in different lights it does pick up different colours, this gold colour, and I really like the way that this gold iPhone XS Max looks. This is my personal device, this gold variant. I just like how it shimmers like a really nice gold in certain lights, and it looks like a block of gold really, and then in different lights it looks more like a creamy white, like an off-white, if you can tell. Hopefully you can. So yeah, that's the gold one. I'm just going to do the exact same thing now as I did with the gold colour. So this is the space grey variant, and I'm just going to get loads of different angles in the light to see what it's like. The space grey one is a bit more of a fingerprint magnet. You'll notice fingerprints on it a bit more than the gold one. But then again, I guess most people are going to be getting a case for this phone. So yeah, it's a very nice classy looking space grey with nice dark borders and things like that. I'm just going to compare them both together now. They are both very nice looking devices. I'm sure it doesn't really matter which colour you go for, but I just think personally for me the gold's got a really nice touch to it. It's really nice and gold. It won't be for everyone, but that's just a comparison between the two. So I think it's no secret that from this video my personal favourite colour of iPhone XS Max is definitely the gold one, just because of that lovely gold shimmer that it has on it, and then sometimes it looks like a classy white colour. I really like that. However, that's not to say that the space grey is not as nice. It's just down to preference really. My last phone was the space grey one, or the black variant of the iPhone 7 Plus, so I've not got anything against either really, but this is just a little comparison of both of the colours. If you are undecided on which one to get, I hope this video's kind of giving you an extra angle to help make your mind up. Another tip I'm going to give to help make your mind up: if you can't choose between two colours, no matter what they are, get a coin and do heads and tails. So gold could be heads, tails will be space grey. Flip it, and whatever it says, that's going to be the colour of your next phone. But really, if you're not happy with that choice, your mind's going to tell you, no, actually I want the other one, and then you really do know the colour of the phone to get. So that's just a little tip from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video, just a little colour comparison between the gold and space grey iPhone XS Max. Yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.